Okay guys, in this video we are going to discuss a very important error before moving forward, that if you are trying to apply an advanced filter and you see this error, you can only copy filtered data to the active sheet and you're not sure why it's showing this error. You have tried a couple of times and every time you're selecting the right data, you are doing everything right. So why it's showing this error? You might be doing it in this way. First of all, I'll show you the wrong way, and then what is the major catch here? I'll show you that. First of all, let's go to the data and click on advanced filter. But before that, we need to see our second sheet where we have created a Google search. Let's say this is our criteria and we want to place the results here. So we will just move to the original sheet, go to the data, click on advanced, copy to another location. In the list range, the data is all selected. We go to the criteria range, we select it like this, and we copy it back to the sheet where we want to place the results. We place it here. So everything is perfect, but as soon as I click OK, it is going to show us an error. Why is that? The catch here is very simple. You always need to be on the sheet where you want to see the results and then apply the advanced filter. In the last example, what I have done is we started applying advanced filter from here, being on this sheet, but we want to apply the advanced filter on the second sheet. So we should be on the second sheet first and then go to the data and use the same procedure. Go to the advanced tab, copy to another location, select it first. List range, just go back to the first sheet, select the complete data. Criteria range, whenever you select the criteria range, it will automatically move you back to the sheet where you are applying it. Make sure the criteria is on the second sheet as well. And now we select wherever we want to place this, start pasting it from here, click OK, and it works perfectly. So if you're seeing this error, this is how you can resolve it. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.